In this presentation, I'm going to introduce a project that we've been working for the last year. The idea was to introduce health system science into medical education. The idea of the project and the name of the project was inspired in this paper from Jed Gonzalo, that he described health system science as the broccoli of medical education. Basically because in this study that he did, students describe, and faculty too, as health system science not being relevant, important, and many times students didn't find it attractive or engaging to learn about health system science. So we developed 4 different games, design and developed games. The first one is an introduction to health system science. It's a Jeopardy style of game. The second one, where we introduce biases in healthcare, is a Chutes and Ladders type of game. The third one is focused on care teams, different roles of those team members. And the last one is a value-based care, and it's a competition style of game. This is an example of one of the electronic games we developed. This is the one that is focused on biases in healthcare, the Chutes and Ladders style of game. And as you can see in this electronic board, gamers go from the beginning to the end of the healthcare process, facing different biases. There's also a link where you can review and learn more about this game. We implemented this, the first 2 modules, as one of the CBL sessions from Host and Defense with first-year medical students. That was our first testing with students. We had 17 facilitators. There was a lot of work on preparation. We are currently in the process of implementing the 4th module. The 3rd module, the team-based style game, that was tested with different faculty and students in a practice session a couple of months ago. As part of the formal evaluation we did, this is the survey, where we can see that in general students were able to learn something new about health system science, the topics we introduced in the first 2 games we evaluated first. Thank you for listening to this presentation, and during the Q&A I will be able to answer questions and share more information about the games, the links to the games, so everyone can try them there too.